Lightning storms here in Washington. This one is coming right over top of my house. All the neighbors are outside. Everyone's out looking at stuff. Oh man. Oh yeah. Try to get as much as I can of this. Missed like two huge lightning bolts like right before I started filming. It's everywhere. There's warnings on television. So, oof. This is apparently going to be a really big lightning storm. So I might have to make a few different clips. This shit's gonna get crazy when it's right over top. Ooh. Right over top of us. I mean, it's cool to be out here now, right now when it's, you know, a ways away. But when it gets over here and it's coming right this direction, directly this way. If these big ass trees weren't sitting there, you'd be seeing a lot of the lightning. It's like right where it's coming. Oh shit, yeah. That was a big one. Ooh. Come on, big lightning. Come on, big lightning. Yeah, I'll just lean against this metal pole and this metal trailer that I'm leaning against. Yeah. You can hear some thunder. Thunderstruck! Thunderstruck! Brian Johnson. Sounds like Donald Duck. Oh, snazzy. Give me some of that zazz. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of commentary on this video. I'm just showing you guys lightning because it's fucking badass. And I'm badass like that. Come on. Oh, my fucking arms are getting tired. Holding this goddamn phone up. Oh shit, my battery's getting low. Come on, man. I want to see some fucking big bolts. Come on. Come on, show me lightning. Give me the lightning. Strike me. I'm right here. Kill me. Do it. Do it now. This is just the power of Christ, y'all. Y'all just look at this. It's the power of Christ. It's probably striking down all them heathens out there. You know. This is just gosh golly's way of taking care of all the idiots out there. Oh, just struck D-Riz right there. Boom. Dead. Moment of silence to mourn. Whoa. It looks a lot brighter on my phone than it does. Maybe it'll look different once it's actually posted and stuff. But it's like, outside it's really dark, dim. My phone's on the... God, it's striking everywhere. There's one over here, there's one over there. It's going everywhere. It's Thor. He's coming to hang out tonight. We're gonna have a barbecue. He's coming in from Odin. Oh. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Thunder, thunder. Thunderclap. Dude, what's up with your shaky camera? Oh yeah. Strike dead the people that say that right there. That lightning bolt enters through your head, bounces through your feet, comes out your eyeballs. See that? Lightning strike right when I said that. If Jesus is bullshit, show me lightning. Did you see that? Immediately when I said it. That's proof, guys. It's proof. It's a miracle. We call it a miracle. I mean, if you were real, you'd be striking me dead right now. Well, I'm still standing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was badass. Well, it's building up now. Bring the thunder. Oh, yeah. Probably gonna have to cut this off here in just a sec because I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes now because YouTube is a bunch of fucking Nazi scumbag, fucking communist, fucking dictator, fucking chewing on my goddamn rights as a citizen, rights to free speech and fair use laws, which I did not ever violate in any fucking situation because I'm not the kind of jackass, I'm not the kind of jackass that fucking, you know, takes other people's videos and superimposes, you know, me into them, you know, interjecting in their videos and shit. Anyone can make anyone look like a jackass doing that, but I don't do that. I just use my words, myself, me and a camera, fucking speaking my mind, say what I gotta say. That's why I have no respect for people like Duncan and Will. You know, Duncan, that guy is a walking troll. He just is a troll. I haven't met too many people that have a whole lot of respect for that guy. He's kind of a jackass. Apparently he's like waging war on me or something. Okay, good luck with that. I don't know what you're gonna achieve. I have nothing to lose, dude. Like literally, I have nothing to lose. So I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna have to cut this short now. My alarm's going off. I got food. Peace!